Are you excited about making your own design selections but not sure how to keep track of it all? My name is Kirsten from Amy Green Design. If you're making your own selections, it can be overwhelming to keep track of the items, selections, lead time, shipping costs. In this video, I'm going to show you how Amy Green Design's shopping list can help you stay organized and on track. Every shopping list is completely customized for each client. We include columns for sizes, lead time, shipping costs, and also to help you keep track of the numerous items you may be reviewing for each selection. Our shopping list also has vendor selections and helpful tips. So under paints, you will find our recommended paint vendors, as well as suggested finishes such as eggshell finish for walls and flat finish for ceilings. We use two sources of information to compile your shopping list: our signature design questionnaire and your design plans. The questionnaire helps us to get a better idea of your style and your desired selections. Each line item in your shopping list will include the items you want to select, as well as any technical components that you may not have considered or necessary, such as grout for your bathroom tile. Next, your design plans aid in compiling your unique shopping list. This is crucial for things such as square footage, sizing, number of light fixtures, which will affect your ultimate selection and your budget. So let's talk a little bit about how it works. First, we're going to identify the link that we are going to use in your shopping list so that you can refer to your selection at any time. Let's say that we're going to use this aqua granite selection. We're just simply going to go to the top of the page and identify the link and copy and paste that URL into the link column. Next, we're going to identify your desired finish. Let's say for this instance that you are going to go with organic white. That means that organic white goes underneath the finish column to help you remember the finish that you have selected. Next, we're going to be looking at size. For this particular item, such as a countertop, you would have to contact Aqua in order to identify their exact sizing, but because we have worked with them in the past, we know that they have a 1 1/4 inch countertop thickness, so that's what goes in the size column. Next, we're going to be looking at quantity or square footage. This is where your plans come into play. So if we come in here and look in your kitchen layout, we can see that you're looking at about 70 square feet. Next, we're going to be identifying price and trade price. From the website, we can see that this particular countertop is currently $69 per square foot based on their current promotional pricing. That's the pricing that goes here. Aqua also offers trade pricing, which is only available to you if Amy Green Design makes the purchase for you. In this particular instance, this countertop is available at $55 per square foot at our trade price. Now your trade discount and your total price are automatically going to populate based on your inputs for the quantity and price. So the total price comes out to about $4,900. If you opt to use Amy Green Design's trade discount, that would save you an additional $1,050 roughly to make your total about $3,850 for the Aqua countertop. Next, we're going to look at lead time, as that can definitely affect your selection and what you decide to go with for your project. Again, in this instance, you would need to reach out to Aqua to identify their lead time. Generally, they work off of a 1 to 2 week lead time. Obviously, if Amy Green Design is compiling your shopping list for you, we double check that and see if there are any factors or circumstances that are affecting that lead time. Next, we're going to look at shipping, templating, and install. Once we go back to the website, we can get some additional information about what they offer and identify that shipping is free, templating is free, and also installation is free. Now, it can be great to keep track of your samples and your sample costs to make sure that everything has arrived that you have ordered, as well as to be able to keep track of a budget for the samples that you have ordered. So let's just say hypothetically that this sample was ordered on January 1st of 2030 for a total of $5. Let's say that the sample arrived, you love it, and you decide to move forward with a quote, and your quote was received on January the 20th. Next, let's say you decide to place your order on January the 25th. The reason why these dates can be really important is to make sure nothing has slipped through the cracks. Maybe you received the quote but never actually placed the order. Or maybe you placed the order and are concerned that they're running behind schedule. All these details can be easily referenced in your shopping list. Additionally, it is great to be able to keep track of when the item was delivered. If you place your order on January 25th, based on a 1 to 2 week timeline, we can expect that the installation would be February 1st to February 8th. But again, it is great to keep track of all your items and make sure that nothing falls through the cracks by confirming when your delivery date was. So the shopping list can be great to refer to make sure that there are no items that have been ordered and not delivered. We'll say hypothetically that this countertop was delivered on February 6th, meaning that it was within their lead time of 1 to 2 weeks. Now your total price and your sample costs automatically calculate for you, so there's no math involved. And additionally, our trade discount and our total price are auto-calculating, and you can identify how much your total price would be based off of subtracting the trade discount from your total price. So if your total price was $4,900 and your trade discount was $1,050, that means that your trade price would be $3,850. Now, which shopping list is right for you? We have a couple different options. Our first tier number 1 shopping list is ideal for those who have previous renovation experience, which means that you are just making very minimal selections on your shopping list. Tier number 2 would be a more moderate number of selections, meaning that you need help in specific areas, such as meeting energy codes for lighting, for example, any accessibility requirements, or any technical aspects for items that you may not necessarily realize that you need for your project. Or tier number 3 is our white glove service, which would include all the selections needed for your project. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn about Amy Green Design's signature shopping list. Please let us know if there's anything that we can do to help you. You can check out our website at amygreendesign.com. Send us an email at amy@amygreendesign.com, or give us a phone call at 503-438-5411. We look forward to helping you with your next project.